Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to business plan Digimedia making service for teacher. My name is Chelsea Marcella. I'm majoring in educational technology, veteran Bangun Nusantara University. Executive summary. Business name Digimedia making service for teacher. Line of business education. Product type digital learning media. Business development plan, long-term business goals. The first, opening partnership without capital. The second, evaluate and improve the quality of digital media according to the times. And next, business concept. Digimedia is service solution aimed at teachers who need learning media in the teaching process but have the following difficulties. The first, not able to make learning media because it is not the fact. The second, do not have a good understanding of learning media. And three, do not have a concept in building interactive learning media. The fourth, not familiar with learning media developer application, for example, Adobe Flash, Adobe Animate, Macromedia Flash, and other. And the last, do not have time to make instructional media product. The target market for this product is for all teachers in Indonesia. The next business concept. Education in Indonesia currently use the 2013 curriculum. 2013 curriculum learning is competency learning by strengthening the learning process and authentic assessment to achieve attitudes, knowledge, and skill competencies. Strengthening the learning process is carried out through a scientific approach, which is learning that encourages students to be better able to observe, ask questions, try or collect data, reason, and communicate. Likewise, teachers in teaching are required to use learning media that can support the achievement of student competencies. Vision and mission. Vision. Providing digital-based learning media creation service to help teachers who have difficulty in creating and using digital-based learning media in the learning process in Indonesia. Mission. The first, produce learning media product in according with the learning implementation plan in Indonesia is RPP. The second, teach how to use digital-based learning media that has been made for teachers. Next, discussion SWOT analysis. Strike. The first, adjusting the curriculum in the path of basic ability development and not violating the material provisions that have been defined as the curriculum. The second, improve the quality of learning of students. And three, improve the competence of agency, teacher, and student. And the last, helping the teaching and learning process. Weakness. Weak capacity of teaching staff. The presentation of mastery and use of technology in learning is still low. And the last, limited facilities and infrastructure. Opportunities. The first, there are still many teachers who have not been able to make digital-based learning media. And the second, broad coverage for all teachers in Indonesia. Next, does not require a lot of capital, and the service offered are in accordance with the educational needs of the 2013 curriculum. Third, agency that want accurate and informative information, and price competition with competitor. And the last, competitor issue new innovative product. concept and design of service. Currently, digital-based learning media are widely used by schools ranging from elementary, junior high school, and even higher education institutions as support material for teaching and educational process. Given the current era of technology, this digital-based media can make the material presented more clearly to students. The digital-based media format can be in the form of a desktop program or an Android application. Quality control. In controlling product quality, we work closely with media experts and always open input from user to our product. Media ordering procedure. The first, send the RPP the desired media script or draft. Next, we estimate the funding requirements and time of manufacture. And next, media obtained, and then we receive fund. The last, done. Market overview. The market segmentation. The market segment we are aiming for is all people who need digital-based learning media, especially for teachers throughout Indonesia, formal, informal, and non-formal school. The market segmentation, we have a specific target every time, whenever and wherever you can order digital-based learning media product because the system we offer is online. Promotion, through advertising in print media, website, email, Facebook, Instagram, Line, and group WA such as MGMP in Indonesia. Price are adjusted according to the type and level of difficulty in making media. Ebook, around 1 million. Two-dimensional interactive multimedia, around 2 million. Stop motion video, around 2 million. Android-based media, around 3 million. Stop motion video, around 2 million. Organizational structure. Director Chelsea Marcella, Production and Marketing Department, student of Educational Technology, veteran Bangun Nusantara University, Product Quality Control, Material Expert, and Media Expert. Job description. The first director establishes policies and work programs for employees to obtain optimal operating results. And second, leading, coordinating production and marketing. And three, responsible for all business operations both internally and externally. The fourth, establishing relationship with consumers so they can find out what consumers want. From that input you can make changes according to what consumers want. Next, marketing. Responsible for all kinds of advertising aimed at marketing service, also handles product distribution from market design to advertising. The next, production department. Responsible for the continuity of production from ordering to shipping media product online to possible product invitation. And product quality control, material aspect, and media aspect. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.